This is extracted from November 2022, as you can see. So we'll focus on algebra for this video. That's 1.1.3. That's the third question. So this question, it is more of a inequality sort of. So what we're gonna do, because they're asking you about inequalities, what you're gonna do is to move the x to the other side, meaning you minus x from both sides, which will be x squared minus 90 minus x not is equals to but greater than 0. So now it is in this format. So what we're gonna do moving forward, this is more of a parabola, because remember that a quadratic is a parabola. Okay, so what we're gonna do is to apply our most helpful formula, the quadratic. Okay, so we can see that we already did that. So moving forward, we'll just plug it into a calculator, figuring that x. I'll advise you not to write just is equals to like the previous questions. For this, you can just write x, just use a hyphen on a dash is equal to 10 maybe. Then for next one, because we'll need to use the inequalities in order to prove this equation. Another one is 9. So what we're gonna do, because we have this sign, remember that this sign is not equals to this one. So what we're gonna do is to place, you're gonna ask yourself is like, where do we find a negative 9? Where do we find a negative 9 on a number line? It is before or after a positive 10. So what you're gonna do is to write something like a number line on a Cartesian plane. It will be like this thing. So it will be minus 9, it will be on this side. That's a minus 9. Then a 10, it will be on this side, because we all know that according to a Cartesian plane. So looking at this standard format of our quadratic, is it concaving up or down? How can you tell? We look at our a, which is 1. So if a is a positive 1, we can tell that is a concave up. So what we're gonna do is our parabola, it will be in this type of shape. Concave up. That's concave up. So now we have to write the final answer, because this is not a final answer, but it is sort of something that can help us to write that final answer. What we gonna do now? What gonna we do now? So looking at this question, since the graph is concaving up, our x values will move into this direction and to this direction. So what does it tell us? It tells us that from this direction to there, the values behind negative 9, they are less than a negative 9. The values from here to there, they are less than a negative 9, as you can see, but they are greater than a 10 from a 10 to there, because they will have values like 11, 12. So this is our answer. x is less than a negative 9, or x is positive is greater than a positive 10.